patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Immunity challenge nyo sa araw na to, pangalan ay Bola Bola. Ang nakaraan sa Survivor Philippines.
Pero nandun pa ako sa bola, nakahawak pa ako sa bola eh. Siguro, yun nga, hindi nakita ni Arnold. Or whatever. Paakyat pa lang ako, nakahawak ako sa bola, paakyat ako. Pero ginanon niya na, niroll over niya na ako. So, wala na akong control. Yun, naipit ako ng bola.
Kanina, our tribe mate, di ba, medyo nalagay sa alanganin yung...
Sobrang alanganin doon. Walang gumawa nun, hindi si Kid. Everyone here is here for the showline talaga. Nakakalimutan na nila yung values nila o kung meron talagang totoong nature. Now kami, we're still sane enough to notice these things. And I don't need the money. Poker face. No one. Ang first instinct nila was, no, ganyan. No one even asked initially, Carlo, are you okay? Wala.
Carlo! Are you okay?
I was very disappointed. They represent our national team. And they turned into monsters and they cussed at a girl. They cussed at you. He was pushing the boulder against me when I wasn't even part of the game. I was trying to save my friend.
I don't want to be here in Survivor at all. Give me a break.
The stressful situation we have now with Tita here. Outside of all these concerns that we have, when they put her here in our camp, parang feeling ko she's playing a character. I hope she's playing a character, because if that's who she is, I'm very, very disappointed in her.
I don't want to be away from my daughter.
I'm upset with everyone.
I'm not upset with everyone. Kaya
Mainit ulo mo eh. Gutom ka, pagod.
gutom ako, pagod ako.
Okay.
I'm emotionally down.
Okay, magpakalma lang kayo. It really makes me want to go home to my children and just be there for them. And it makes me want, and it just makes me want to go back to my kids. It makes you feel like ugly inside, right?
Yeah.
But you see people's ugly sides.
Pasok, tala! Kunin ang inyong mga sulo at sindihan ito. Ang apoy ay buhay dito sa isla. Habang may sindi pa yung mga sulo ninyo, ibig sabihin may tsansa pa kayong maging celebrity soul survivor. Pagkatapos ng bawat immunity challenge, magkikita-kita tayo dito sa Tribal Council. Sa bisa ng boto ng inyong mga katribo, isa-isa kayong mawawala hanggat sa ilan na lang ang matitira. Pero bago ang botohan, mag-usap muna tayo. Kaya kayo nandito ngayon sa Tribal Council dahil natalo kayo kanina sa immunity challenge. Ano sa tingin nyo ang dahilan kung bakit kayo natalo? Gusto ko marinig galing sa inyo.
Sa tingin ko, it's their game. Mas malakas sila sa physical kaysa sa amin.
Sa tingin mo, mas malakas sila?
Pero sa ibang bagay naman, meron din kaming advantages. Doon lang sa game kanina, sa tingin ko sila yung advantage doon.
So you're saying that physically they're stronger. Mas malakas sila kaysa sa inyo.
For that game,
Sa tingin ko naman, nagkataon lang na nagkaroon sila ng replenishment. Kumbaga nakakain sila ng maayos. Whereas kami, hindi kami masyado nakakain. Kaya naman eh. I mean ako, lumaban ako hanggang sa huli. Kakayanin kung tama lang yung nakakain kami ng maayos, nakatulog kami ng maayos, pero no excuses, we lost 3-0.
ang dagdag pa rin siguro doon, apart from that, meron kaming 25-minute hike bago makarating sa challenge no, na paakyat baba ng bundok talaga. So, doon pa lang, medyo napapagod na kami eh. Like today, 4 na beses namin ginawa yun.
Noong tribal concept, in-express ni Angelica yung unfair treatment. Inaano ko sila, yung parang dinidiscourage ko sila talaga na sabi ko sa kanila, sa kabila, nako, hindi kami naglalakad ng ganitong trek-trek. Hindi kami napapagod. Sandali lang, nandun na kami sa challenge area. Wala kaming kahirap-hirap. Relax kami.
Carlo, ano ba talaga nangyari nung second round? From my point of view, it seems like you were okay. Na-injure ka ba? Nasaktan ka ba? Kwento mo sa amin.
Hindi naman ako nasaktan, pero yun nga, tinatry kong pigilan yung bola na lumagpas na maka-goal sila. Hinablot yung shorts ko, tapos natakil ako pababa. Tapos as I was going up to grab the ball again, siguro hindi niya napansin. Yun nga, sinabi nun ng mga nakakita na hindi niya napansin na nandun pa ako sa ilalim. Pero paakyat pa lang ako, doon na siya sumugod pababa. Pero siguro nakita niya na napipigilan pa rin. So yun, na-roll over ako. Pero wala naman nangyari. Masama sa akin. Okay.
A reminder lang sa lahat ng castaways, ano? You guys have to be responsible also for your own safety. If you feel like you're gonna be in danger, if you feel like you're gonna be put in a place that you're gonna be harmed, move to the side. It's an intense game, adrenaline's pumping. Marami tayong iniisip. Alam ko, marami kayong iniisip. So, it's part of the game. I saw that you were okay, that's why I didn't stop the game.
I'm okay now.
Angelic Copter, bakit pumasok ka kanina sa game nung mangyari yun kay Carlo?
From my point of view, kung saan ako nakaupo, I think Jackie will agree. When I see instinct siguro sa akin na someone is already getting hurt, I'm gonna come out and rescue them. Kasi feeling ko, katulad ng sinabi mo bago magsimula yung challenge, we can get competitive and tough, pero wag tayong magkasakita. The only reason kaya hindi siya nasaktan kasi naisip niya na ganun pala yung kamay niya sa ilalim. Kaya okay siya ngayon. Pero kung wala siyang split second na ganun na naisip niya, nasaktan siya. Kung wala siyang presence of mind, which most of us at gutom and ganun, baka hindi siya na-save. And inisip ko, kung ako pala yung nasa ganung sitwasyon, di ba? Mahirap yun.
I understand where you're coming from, no? I understand that it was your natural instinct to be involved. Pero next time, speaking of presence of mind,
Yes.
you can also call the medical team kung may nangyari kay Carlo. Pwede mo akong tawagin. May mga rules tayong sinusunod dito sa Survivor. Pwede ka rin masaktan.
Yeah, I
Diba?
also put my life in danger at that point.
Yes, that's
Pero kasi,
why
yeah.
ingatan mo rin yung sarili mo. Next time that somebody does that, when they're out of the game, tapos bigla silang sumingit sa game, I will definitely give a penalty. Okay? Isabel and Jackie, napansin ko kanina, hindi ba kayo fans ng Volcanoes?
So hindi ko sila kilala. But at the same time, regardless of kahit sino pa sila, kung ano man yung ginawa nila kanina, it's unnecessary. Especially if they're professional athletes, they should know where to draw the line. Okay? And if you're representing our country, right? As our Philippine rugby team, you should take pride in how you play your game. Right? Halimbawa ka sa marami, lalo na sa mga bata. Tapos ganun yung ipapakita mo. Marami naman paraan eh. Lalo na kung magaling ka maglaro. Lamang na sila eh. Pwede naman niya ikaliwa, ikanan. Pero anong ginawa niya? Ginulungan niya yung tao. Mali yun.
Isabel?
Ako rin kasi athlete din ako eh. So I know also kung paano maglaro. Yun lang naman hiningi namin, huwag naman sanang ganun kadumi yung paglalaro nila kasi nakakasakit na.